Hello band parents. We're going to be doing something different with practice time. Instead of the weekly practice slips, students have been given this form that you see in front of you here. The Monday students will get it on Monday. Students no longer have to keep track of which particular day they played, but rather than that, they're just going to keep track of how often they play any one of these band songs that you see listed here. These are all of the full band songs that we're going to be playing at school. So each time your child plays one of the band songs, they will put an X in the square after that song. So hopefully each time they practice their instrument, they'll play most every song during that practice session. You can see I'm marking down. This would take almost 30 minutes to get through all 10 of those different songs. If they played a particular song 3-4 times in the same night, they can give themselves credit and mark 4 boxes so they don't have to play every song every night, and they can play any particular song as many times in one night as they would like. I have really encouraged students to play along with the accompaniments on Schoology. While students know where the accompaniments are, I want you to be aware of this resource as well. So in Schoology, under Band, there's a folder that's called At Home Practice Help. When they open that folder, there's a link for full band accompaniments. And when they click on that link, so we open that folder and there's a list of all of the different songs. So here we have Dr. Rock, Boogie Blues, Big Rock Candy Mountain. So if they click on a particular song, like a little bit of Latin, that opens up, and now they have a list or an accompaniment of all of the different parts. So if they're playing the first trumpet part, they would select that particular link. At that point, the accompaniment would open up and there's a full band recording, and I'm playing that first trumpet part louder than the other instruments so they can hear their part, and it's very, very helpful for them to learn their part if they can hear what their part is supposed to sound like with the rest of the band. I can't stress enough how important it is for the students to play along with these accompaniments so they practice their part correctly and they get used to playing with the full band. It's a lot more fun too. If your child has access to a Bluetooth speaker or a speaker they can plug into their iPad, that's even better, so they can turn up the volume a little bit. When they've completed the entire sheet, meaning that they've played every song 12 times, then I would ask that the parent sign the practice sheet, and then they'll hand it back into me at the next lesson. The goal is to hand in at least a couple of these sheets by late April, if not sooner. Sometimes in the past I've had students turn in 5-6 of these sheets, but everyone should be turning in at least 2 or 3 of these by the time we get to our concerts. I hope you start hearing some great sounds from your student, and I'm excited as we work on our concert music. Thanks so much for your support.